This week BTC Technical Analysis. See, yeah, what we analyzed actually is not went up to there, but is falling now. If I go to Java 4 hour, I can clear everything. This one. Okay, I can clear everything here. So still my bias is down actually. Maybe it will give small correction here. It will go on and drop. Come there. Maybe it will reach up to there or up to there. Then it will fall from there here. So my bias is still 55. I'm expecting 55k. So down. Otherwise, no, you don't know, but exactly, suddenly maybe it will move up directly. Okay, but initially, after reaching this zone, careful or close, maybe or partially you can close that by setup. Then you can look for the you can move that stop loss to break even. Then look for the sale setup. Okay, right. Thank you.